Hey everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my kitchen here, and check this out. I have this COOXER, and it's a 3-in-1 charger. I got a super convenient portable charger thing here so I can take it with me when I travel, and it'll just be way easier to maintain than having all the different separate wires and all that stuff there. And you can see from the picture on the back, I'll be able to charge my phone, my AirPods, and my watch at the same time. I didn't point those in the right direction, but let's just take a look at this thing here and see how it looks. So let's see, so it comes, this is everything here, box empty. But so you can see here's the manual for it. I got the black one. It comes in black and white, but I don't know, just got black, I guess. But this is kind of the instructions. I guess if you need these, pause it and zoom in. There's some more. Hopefully it should be pretty self-explanatory, but we'll check it out here. So let's see. So you can see it's super convenient and small here. I mean, drop everything on the floor. So the wire it comes with to get to there is a USB to USB-C. And then it comes, this is good that it actually comes with the little block that it requires. So that's good. A lot of these things don't come with the block. And it actually comes with a block that has a USB and a USB-C connector on it. So that's kind of cool. And then we have the device. So let's check this out. And so here we go. So it even comes with, so this is the Apple Watch one. Let's open that up here. It's got a sticker on it. Well, that's a sticker on the back. It's got a sticker on the front though. There we go. There we go. And any other stickers? No, but you can see how small this folds up. So this is it. So it's like the size of one of those charging blocks that has multiples, but and then you just bring this and you're all good to go. So that's it. So you don't have to deal with all the freaking wires all over the place. My God, that's annoying. Okay, and it's got, you can see the picture on it here. You can see this will be for my, like the phone will be on that one. Obviously the watch on that one. And it's got a picture of the headphones there. It even has a picture of it on the back too. So let's try to plug it in and check it out with something here. Let's see. So I'll plug this into here. I happen to have a extension cord right here. And we'll plug it in to the device. Let's see, where does it plug in? I'm guessing it's gonna be over here, maybe? Oh, I'm a moron. It plugs in right there, you can see it. And look at that, ooh, it even has color lights. Ooh, pretty. Okay, and I'll just put my watch on it just for fun here to see how it works. So I'll hold it up for y'all to see, and then I'll put my watch on it there. And it's charging, check it out. So there we go, so it's charging. Hopefully it's a fast charger, probably is because it's USB-C, so we'll see how it charges. But that's kind of nice that it can be on the nightstand. You can put your headphones there, and it even has the angle on it. Like I know a lot of the watch chargers kind of are just stuck down like that on some of these ones. This one here has the ability to tilt it up so you can see the time throughout the night. So really like that feature, and I like the way it's like the rubber silicone between the sides here. So and it's super portable, super convenient. I mean, this is really cool. I like this one here. I'm going on a trip here on Friday, so I'll be able to take it with me. And if you look at it, you have the lights here. I guess the lights are kind of changing colors, but button on here, turn them off, turn them on. Pretty easy. And I guess it's probably, I don't know what color, I'm colorblind, but I'm guessing probably green means charging or something like that, and maybe red means an error, I don't know, colorblind, so I'm not gonna be able to help you too much on the color part of it, but it's very cool, I like it. Super easy, super small, super convenient, and I love it. So thumbs up from me. The link's in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Definitely pick one of these up. Thanks.